Yeah, I got the tripod mounted on camcorder mounted on tripod. This is my fourth time. I'm tired taking recording it over again. The files get corrupt, the data didn't go through, it wasn't recorded on the file. Basically my camcorder just acting up. I'm planning to do this every 2 weeks, the same settings, but the face gonna change because of the time, different time. I have half a room on the unlicensed boarding care. This is my bed. I'm gonna record for 30 seconds for on the 4 minutes, 10 minutes videos. This has the facial detection. I'm done. I'm gonna stop this. Hopefully it will take this time.